Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we're going to take a look at why your clothes are getting frayed after washing or drying. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Nobody wants to find their clothes out of the washer or dryer fraying around the edges. Here are some useful tips to eliminate this from happening and save you from putting those clothes in the garbage before you had adequate time to use them. Fraying occurs from abrasion during normal wash around the edges of the towels, pillowcases, and other collar tips and cuffs. For example, if a collar tip rubs against a shirt while it's being worn, it will start fraying. Do not overload. Clothes must circulate freely in the tub. Permanently pressed load should be smaller than regular loads. Sort your clothes carefully. Do not wash and dry heavy abrasive articles together, such as towels, jeans, or sweatshirts, with permanent press and delicate items. Do not over dry your clothes. This may cause excessive abrasion to the collars and cuffs of your clothes. Immediately remove your clothes from the dryer when they are done drying. Do not leave them in for a long period of time upon completion of drying. Always inspect your clothing, especially if it has been stored before you wash it. Make sure that there are no moss, silverfish, or any other insects that could cause your clothes to have the fabric become compromised. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.